Happy Advent, everyone! So today is the first Sunday of Advent. It's the 30th of November. So I'm going to show you today how you're gonna set up your Advent calendar. Okay, if you want to see how I use the sewing machine to make these little bags, check the video up here. If you are new here, I'm Maria from Maria Custo Designs. If you like this video, just please click the subscribe button and join our creative family. Okay, let's get started. So, when you lined up all the numbers, you have to choose the special ones where they're gonna get a bigger surprise. For example, in my country, on the 5th of December in the evening or the 6th morning, Santa comes, okay? Not on the 24th. We celebrate Christmas on the 24th evening, not on the 25th, and that's when baby Jesus comes, okay? Santa is on the 5th, baby Jesus is on the 24th. Okay, this year I got this. It was really cheap, but it looks really cool and it's a game, so he's gonna love it. He loves reading, so I got this little LED lamp. We can attach it to the book. Also, I got 3 of these, which are gonna be 3 different days. I think every kids love these days, and even adults. And of course, variety of chocolates to fill up the rest of the bags. When you finish with all of them, next step is to make a note on the string, because it looks like I forgot it. Okay, next step, you're gonna need a long stick. It's either this thin or a bigger one, doesn't matter. And then wait a second, first I need to find 24. We are going backwards, okay? So we put 24 first, and then 23, 22, blah blah blah. Don't mind the Christmas decorations over there. Okay, let's start. First we're gonna make a little knot. Kind of. Now we're gonna make a loop after every bag. It's gonna look like this. So they're gonna come one by one. Okay, so to put here. And at the end you won't see the white parts because it's gonna be hidden. And when you reach the end, you just make either carry on or you make another knot to finish. Okay, obviously it's not gonna look like this because you're gonna put it next to a wall and hang it in there, or you can hang it like on those things, hooks, but they're gonna hang like this and you can just choose each day. Okay, so now you see how I made this, how I set it up, but you can put them in a little basket and you can choose one bag each day. You don't have to put it out like this. It's a nice rattan bag or any basket. It's gonna be great too. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please click the thumbs up and share it with your crafty friends, and let's see you at the next time.